I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Lamborghini Huracan engine bay, full guide. Immediately locate the interior release lever, pull firmly, then walk to the rear and lift the deck lid with both hands. Support the lid using the prop or hydraulic struts and avoid touching hot components. Check for any locking tabs or secondary catches that require a squeeze or push to fully open the engine bay safely. Start by explaining the release sequence slowly and calmly so listeners can follow easily. Locate the interior lever, pull it until you hear the hood pop, then move to the rear. Place hands under the deck lid, find the safety catch, and lift smoothly while supporting weight. Use the hydraulic struts or prop rod to secure the lid, and always double-check that the bay is fully latched when closing to avoid damage. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so we can keep making practical car guides. Quick recommendation. I spotted a great read dollar banknote, The Simple Path to Wealth, that pairs nicely with long-term car ownership and budgeting tips. It's a light, useful companion to maintaining an exotic car responsibly. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After opening, take a moment to inspect seals, struts, and visible components for wear or leaks. When closing, lower the deck lid until the latch aligns, then let it settle so it secures without slamming. Press lightly to confirm a full latch and listen for the click of the lock. If you encounter resistance, reopen and realign before trying again to protect the chassis and paint from damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.